I love to take like mini meatballs, Italian sausage with kale, orzo, put it all together, and in less than 30 minutes you've got dinner. The importance of this meal for any mom, for anybody on a weeknight, is your kids are like outside playing and you have this tiny window of time to get it all done so that people don't get angry. There's minimal work, minimal thing, but it comes together, it just went done immediately. And when you pack a lot of flavor into one dish, that's amazing. All right, let's start with the Italian sausage. So the first step to this dish, you just take Italian sausage, roll it between your hands like this and make mini meatballs. So if you've got like 4 links, you're gonna get like 10 meatballs per link. Meatballs are done. We're just gonna get them browned in a hot pan. You're gonna brown the meatballs in one skillet, and then you're gonna add some chicken stock. The chicken stock just has all this delicious flavor as opposed to just water. And then you're just gonna add the orzo. My kids like to call it baby pasta because everything is baby this, baby that to them. Put a lid on it, you're done. All right, it's been about 5 minutes. The orzo is cooking beautifully. Once that orzo starts to get tender, you're gonna add the kale. It just wilts down into it, it pops this beautiful bright green. It's perfect. So at the end of this dish, I've always said this, citrus is your best friend, mate. You're gonna take half a lemon, squeeze it in. It's gonna sing, it's gonna scream at you. It's so good, it's gonna, it wakes it up. Once it's off the heat, add a little parsley, hit it with a garnish, add some Parmesan to it. It's beautiful and it's perfect.
Let's go eat dinner.
This dish is so special to us. I make it probably once or twice a month because of the flavors. Everything marries together so pretty with kale, the meatballs, the Italian sausage, the orzo, the baby pasta, the kids love it. And it takes 30 minutes and it's in one skillet, so there's no cleanup. Dinner's on the table fast. Hey guys, thanks for watching. For this and other cute kid terms like baby pasta, click here to subscribe.